Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer workspaces in ClickUp with team settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer workspaces in ClickUp with team settings, first, log in to your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace you want to transfer. Click on your profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Workspace option. Click on Workspace Settings to access detailed options. Look for the Transfer Workspace option within the settings. You may need to confirm your decision to transfer the workspace. Enter the email address of the user you want to transfer the workspace to. Ensure that the recipient has a ClickUp account. Review the permissions and settings that you want to keep or modify during the transfer. Once you have verified everything, click on the Transfer button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the transfer is complete. Notify the recipient after the transfer is done, so they can check their account. If you have any specific team settings you want to adjust post-transfer, revisit the workspace settings. Make necessary changes to the team permissions, notifications, and integrations as needed. Ensure that all members are aware of the changes and any new responsibilities. Your workspace is now successfully transferred with the appropriate team settings. Review the workspace with the new owner to ensure everything is in order. This concludes the step-by-step process for transferring workspaces in ClickUp with team settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.